We've done take 9 on the website. There are several patterns and a lovely book called Take 3, and this is a block called Take 5. Take 5 fabrics. It should be fairly simple for you to do because often families come bundled, pre-bundled for you. And if you've got something with a nice large print, this block is perfect. Though all the blocks are made the same, it's a very straightforward block to make, and as long as you end up with a square, it will all fit together. Just lay them out so that they look nice. This pattern is very simple to sew and absolutely looks stunning in some more modern fabrics. This was made a while ago when I was going through my Japanese phase. But in the more modern fabrics, it really lends itself because you've got a very nice space here in which to put some of the feature fabrics.